Halo guys. Buset, gue gemuk banget ya. Sorry about my double cheese guys. The pandemic, the side effect. Okay, so today we are going to one of the oldest Chinese restaurant in Jakarta, not sure in Indonesia. I heard this restaurant for the first time I think on 2017, but the restaurant itself is so much older than that. So we're going to check it out. Yeah, I think you guys know why I make that face. Okay, so I guess let's go. What do you think?
Don.
What do you think?
No.
Huh?
No.
Are you sure we're gonna go there?
No. No, it's dirty.
Why not?
Gross and dark. It's slippery.
But we've been all the way here. We should accept the challenge. Ready? Finally made it. This is the place. After all the traffic jam, narrow, very narrow street, we're finally here. Coba. Go. Enggak, makan. Makan sini. 4. Ya, thank you kok.
Apa bukan? Apa ya?
Makan.
Ini buat. Ini buat. Apa ini?
Kita akan nyobain apa tuh namanya? Baso babi.
What's the inside? Okay guys, sorry about my double chin again, so I'm gonna just talk like this. I'll talk like this. Okay, so we'll just, oh, this is ridiculous, this is okay. Okay, so just finish our lunch in Wongfukie. Okay, so before we talk about the experience, let me give you some brief explanation. The place that we went to is the first restaurant. I mean, there are two restaurants of the same brand. Wongfukie Hakka Chinese restaurant. They have two places. One in here in Glodok, yeah, central of Jakarta, and the other one they just opened in Pancoran Peak, which is in the north of Jakarta. So the first place is here. So this is the original one. They have been here like since 1925. Yes, 1925, yeah. And the location of the place is at the center of, like, I don't know, it's like this is a very, very old community. So the street is very narrow and it's not exactly at the side of a big road. So you need to find a place to park, and then after that you need to go into like small alley to find the place. So if you are someone like us who are really open to adventure, yeah, this is the place to go. Okay, but if you think that if you just want to know the food with convenience, then I would suggest you to go to Pancoran Peak, because the road there is very easy to go through and to access. So that's it. I warn you, if you come here, be prepared. First, traffic jam, very narrow street, left and right. You compete with motorbikes, with people carrying stuff, a lot of things.
And other
Other what? Other what?
smell.
Huh?
Smell.
Smell. What smell?
Dirty smell.
Oh yeah, I mean, because we are in like a very old vintage area, the smell of the neighborhood is, you know, mushy, very old kind of thing, if you know what I mean. If you've been to places where it's very old and so dense, it's very humid, so I think you will know what I mean. Okay, so that's it. The food, I'm not an expert in Chinese food, and I don't eat Chinese food regularly, so I don't really know exactly the standard of what is good. But what I can tell you, it's very tasty. You guys agree? You agree?
I don't know.
You guys Fumak. Yeah, itu Fumak.
If you see.
You agree? The food?
Yeah. Tasty.
Tasty? Very nice? I really like the pork meatball. Yeah, I think inside there is a mix of shrimp and pork, and it was cooked at a very balanced level of crispiness. Yeah, I think so. So I think that is my favorite one. For the what is it? Fumak? Belut, yeah. So people say that Fumak is very nice, but I find it is quite new. What I mean by that, it tastes good, but for me, for someone who doesn't have any experience in Chinese food, I think the flavor is very new, something that I have never tried before. But it's really good. It tastes really good, but it's just really very new. So I feel a bit strange and nice at the same time. Marian, what do you think? What do you like? Huh? Nothing? Okay, so that's it. On the Chinese Hakka restaurant. So we're going to our next destination, which is what?
Tamangga.
What are we going to do there?
Decathlon.
Mall again? Oh, I hate mall! No more mall, please!
Hey, we're supposed to go on another adventure.
Adventure? But mall is not an adventure.
No.
Tell me guys, is mall adventure?
No, mall is shopping.
Yes!
Wait,
Correct!
Ramon, like, and we have to wait for hours to finish. Ugh.
Correct!
Not me.
So I think both, because we are men, yeah, we understand more. Guys, please, sorry to all the women, to all the ladies, yeah, but come on, mall is not adventure, please.
No offense.
Yeah, no offense, yeah, no offense, sorry, yeah. Okay, so we still need to go to mall.
We have to go camping later.
Okay, then our next destination is the mall. Let's go.